Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. In this video we'll show you how to reset oil life on Ford Transit Connect 2019 models and up. With the vehicle off, you're going to turn into the first position. You hit this button right here. You're going to go scroll down to vehicle settings. You press this three dots button. Information, press OK. Oil life, press OK. And reset oil life, hold OK to reset oil life. Takes a little bit. Reset oil life is complete. Turn the vehicle off, start it up. Message doesn't pop up anymore. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.